Alright, so what's up guys? Today me and Sterling are going to be building this rocket. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Dump everything out.
How are we going to do this?
Yeah, read the instructions.
Ah, that's where it goes.
Are you sure?
Sure? It doesn't get up there, so I'm sure it goes down there.
Got it? No, don't read the instructions.
Oh yeah, it's baking soda. I think I know what it is.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's baking soda. Baking soda? Oh,
Yeah, it says baking soda and citric acid. So I don't know if you should be touching that. You know, I think I should be dealing with that. That seems pretty dangerous.
This is baking soda. That,
Yeah, this is the acid. Yes, this is citric acid.
yeah, you should be touching that.
Yeah. Let me see the baking soda too. Yeah, I'll deal with that. Okay.
Baking soda ain't gonna do enough for me. Is this supposed to go inside here?
Now read the instructions.
There is no Oh, there's a book. Or is that the instruction? No, that's the book.
Here we go.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a poster for your room.
Got it. Bye.
Okay, this is all in Spanish. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Step 1, assembling your rocket.
I want to decorate it.
Oh, I gotta build it first. Yeah, so assembling the rocket. Slide the rocket fins onto the body. Where's that tube? Where's that tube thing you had? No, that thing. There.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's no stuff. Not much.
Okay, we're making a rocket here. We're doing good. So yes, I slipped the stopper on. Okay, I put it in there. Okay. 2 teaspoons of citric acid into the body of the rocket. Okay, so this is the citric acid. I don't know. I have no idea how this is gonna go. Oh God! Okay.
Let's try that again. That is what's playing.
Okay.
Oh!
I don't understand. Let's go. Okay.
Yay!
Did you do it? Did you stand in front of the camera? Did you miss it?
Have you tipped it all the way to the fly?
Oh!
I got my shoe! See how the video is.
Yeah, I gotta edit it and stuff, so it's gonna be a minute. Alright, that's it. You wanna say bye?
Bye.
Alright. We'll see you next time. Follow me on Instagram right here, and yeah.